what are some things that customers can expect during the pre-installation process?
So we're involved, not just myself, but the Field Solutions architect team. We're involved from beginning to end. So when any sales reps go in, Mike would go in and have a conversation. We're brought in right away. So everything from the structural integrity of the wall to power requirements to installation time, as well as drawings, all full specs. Our team is involved with providing all that information and making sure everything goes smoothly from the beginning to the end of installation. Even during the installation, ViewSonic will be present should you guys need us there to ensure everything's working, do a full checklist, inputs, power, that the product's up and running before we leave.
Great. You mentioned Mike, and so yeah, I want to turn it over to Mike. I know you and your team probably work very closely with Moz's team and the customer as well during this pre-installation, pre-sales process. Is there anything you want to add here?
Yeah, so I mean, we really want to get hands-on with everybody in the space. So, we start with looking at the room space that we're looking at putting in, figuring out where everybody's going to be sitting, what's the best viewing distance from the panel, and then design the panel around those applications. That's kind of where the different pixel pitches come in, different viewing distances come along with that. And then we engage with Moz and his team to go through that whole pre-installation checklist of here are the power requirements. Here's exactly the outlets and the electrical requirements that are going to be needed. Here's the structural requirements for mounting the panel to the wall. That way, before the product even shows up, everything is ready to go. Everything's laid out cleanly. And as Moz mentioned, we come in with like a supervisory installation. So whether you're using one of our certified installers or your own third party, you're going to have somebody with ViewSonic, part of that installation to handle any issues that may come up during that install. But realistically, we pretty much check the box on any of those major questions before the product even arrives.